Good morning, this is Jack from Jack Loves Antiques and Vintage. Been out thrifting this morning and found some items that I liked, but one in particular is this tray. Show it to you like that, okay? It's a Sheffield tray on nickel silver. It's old, it's from the 1800s, but it's tarnished. And to get it ready to go in my antique booth, I need to do some work on it. So let's get busy and I'll show you what I use and how I do it. Now, these trays, first of all, they don't bring a lot of money. The demand for silver plate or nickel plate is not as high like it used to be. But it's good for display and people do buy them. But they got to be clean first. Okay? I'm going to use a liquid cleaner. You've seen it on the shelves before. It's a soft cleanser, but it has some type of material in it that will remove the tarnish from this silver tray. So let's get busy. Alrighty. Let me adjust the camera right here. I'm going to just spread this like that over that. Then I'm going to hold on. Then I'm going to put it in the sink right here, just like that, and put a little bit of water on it. I'm going to wet a sponge. And then lightly, very, very lightly, because you don't want to scratch it. You're just trying to, you can always use silver polish to get the shine back, but you want to get the tarnish off, which is the hardest thing. So I'm rubbing like that right there. And you can see that the tarnish is starting to melt a little bit, and it just disappears. Now, you may not like this method, I don't know. But this is something I do because I didn't pay much for it. But I do want it to shine. So rub it right there, more and more and more, and just let it sit for a while. Add some more of the cleanser to it. And I'm going to do that. So we're going to work on this right here. And we're going to get the shine back. And I hope y'all are all doing good. And I'm hoping that you're enjoying working in your antique booth and getting new items in on a daily basis. Right now, the antique market is strange, but it's fun. But it takes work, and you got to have something new every time. Okay, we're getting a shine back. The tarnish is melting away, and I'm just doing the top for you right here and right now. Okay, we're going to rinse that off like that. Make sure we get all the cleanser off of here. And as you can see, it's 100% better than what it was. And later on, I'm going to go and I'm going to do the back. And I'm going to do a little bit more in the detailing. But what I really wanted to see y'all see today was the difference it made. Now that is starting to shine. That brings out the beauty. And it looks great in your booth. You can put a decanter on that. It's footed. It's a footed tray. So you can put a decanter on that with empty bottle of wine, of course. And it would make a beautiful, beautiful display. Alright, so I think we're going to let that sit for a while. Put some more cleanser on that and see how it does. But in the meantime, enjoy your day.